Delicious.
I've been here with you. The flowers found you start to bloom inside your eyes. We go down. I'm falling for you. We go down. I'm falling to my knees, all for you. Breathtaking, oh so blind, I'll wait for you. All this time was always you. Oh so blind, I'll wait for you. All this time was always you. I've been here with you. The flowers round you start to bloom inside your eyes. We go down. I'm falling for you. We go down.
Oh no. Oh, there we go. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Banana Bread Trades. My name is Goose. And what an incredible overnight session that was. Oh my goodness, look at that beautiful sell-off. Failure to make a new high. Beautiful sell-off. Oh, we had the retest and it died. This looks like it's a beautiful short. I am short bias AF right now. That is so beautiful. I'm going to say that bear market rally is over and it is time to doom. Oh, that just looks so nice, right? So let's... Oh, goodness gracious. I need to check my, I made a video last night, so I have all this stuff up still. Let's fix all that. Our lower target that we're gonna have on here. Lower target. Oops. Lower target. What's our lower target gonna be? 36.45. Of course. 36.45, the God tier level. Right? Then our upper target, let's adjust that. Upper target. Upper target. I almost want to say none, but the answer is still going to be 38.20. 38.20. That's still the level I want on the upside. Whether or not we get it, I am not sure. Let's see here. News. What's the news today? Let me open up Record. Flip it over to here. Market news. Housing. 8:30 a.m. 7:30 a.m. my time. So let's go here. Good morning, Mr. Rocky. How are you this fine morning? I'm just fixing all my stuff because I made a video last night and then I forgot to change all the titles and now it's like, no, it's just a whole mess. We had a beautiful sell-off last night, though, Mr. Rocky. Did you catch any of that? I sure hope you did. I wish I had gotten up at 2 a.m. so I could have caught all that. Absolutely beautiful looking sell-off. I wasn't even really sure about there being a sell-off because of, you know, bear market rally type stuff. Oh, what a darling she is. She took your pillow. That's hilarious. Beautiful morning. 53 degrees. Oh, nice. It is 29 degrees here right now. Got 20 points last night. Turned your charts off. Hell yes, brother. I got a little bit of trading in last night with a long, like pretty much right at a Globex Open. I got a couple longs in. And I mean, it paid pretty well. So I don't really need to trade today, but I probably will on my other account. Let me 7:30 CST. There we go. Okay, let me get that posted. Yeah, I actually had to turn my heater on for the first time of the year yesterday. It was 45 degrees in my house. She got up in your bed and literally pulled the pillow out from under your head. She was dedicated. That's honestly kind of impressive. She was she needed out. Slept with the sliding glass door wide open? You're a brave man. Spider-Man could have came in there and kidnapped you. You live in Florida, so I wouldn't put it past any of those situations to happen. Because, you know, Florida just be wild. And let's refresh this. Let's delete that. So now it should load. And then on top of that, I need to deal with this situation. Oh, god damn it. Come on. Stop doing that. Stop being a silly goose. How do you unfull screen Chrome? Just hit escape. Are you have like the videos full screen, or like you need Chrome to not be? There should be like a should be like this up here. That's not working at all. This guy right here. It's not there. Can you just drag it? Like, can you just drag the top? Oh god, no. Oh no. Oh, there we go. Like, you can't just grab the top and drag the boy around. Uh, let me see. Terms. Disclaimer. Oh, let's see. Blah, blah, blah. Sorry, I'm filling out an Apex form. So I had another deal. I had this deal a while ago, and I passed another account. So I was just waiting on the 10 days. And now we're there. So, filling out that. And yes, now I have 3 Apex funded accounts, which is just a little bit unnecessary. I'm probably going to YOLO the F out of this one. But it was too good of a deal. It was... Oh, they just sent me an email, and it was like, hey, thank you for using us. Here's a 90% code. And I was like, okay, I'm going to use this. Look at Discord. Sorry. Oh. Wait, there's just nothing at the top? That's so weird. Can you go to your bottom tab? Do you have like a bottom tab? Like, is it at the bottom? Or do you have like the thing that shows all your tabs at the bottom of your screen where it tells you like the weather and time and all that? Can you select it from there? That's so wild, Mr. Rocky. Oh, goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. Huh. I mean, I'm proud of you, to say the least. You know? I actually have to close out of my Quan Tower. Okay, and I have to reopen Rhythmic. Yeah. Yeah. And then I also have to... Oh, I gotta sign this paper. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let me open up the news for today so that can at least be up on the screen. There we go. There's the news. Oh, just what a morning of stuff going on. Overall, did you at least sleep good, Mr. Rocky? Outside of being woked it up? Oh, here we go. Oh. Nothing's fine. There we go. Okay, there we go. Now that Apex deal is done. And we can move on from there. Okay. So, yeah, news today. We have building permits and housing at 7:30 a.m. Central Time. That's 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. And then, yeah, some guy talking, beige book, Fed speaking. Nothing like super important. Like I don't really expect any market movement from either of these unless someone says something just outlandish, right? So not much there. Let's see here. Now I need to go here, here. Excuse me. Sorry, I had to cough. I had to cough. There we go. 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 Next. Okay. Now we should be chilling. Now we should be chilling. Now let me go open up my rhythmic now. Sorry about all this situation. There we go. Let me do this real quick. Let me make so this doesn't pop up and make everything weird. We'll just make you look at my beautiful face. Hello, everyone. This is my beautiful face. I'm doing this so when for some reason, my rhythmic always pops up on the trading screen. I need to change it over. I haven't yet, so I'm going to make you look at me for a second. I'm going to look at you. We're going to look at each other. We're going to tell each other, you're great. I appreciate you. I think you're amazing. And I hope you have a really good day. And if you don't have a good day, talk to me about it, you know? We can discuss. We can go over things and stuff and everything in between. So I think this is finally going to load. I have 4 seconds remaining. Once that comes on, we can reopen Quan Tower and get back to like what we're actually doing. Oh no, I closed the music out too. What a silly goose I am. I'm just like at maximum silly today. There we go. Music is activated once again. There we go. Man, my rhythmic is froze up, so that's inconvenient. Maybe we load today. I don't know, it's frozen. It's frozen, fam. 100. 100. Facts on God. Yeah, I think I broke it. Oh, it changed a word. It changed a word, so maybe we got it. Maybe we got that gas. No gas acquired. Zero fuel. So let's go ahead and pull up something else for you, fam. Maybe not. I don't know. This is getting a little ridonkulous. So let's try this again. Maybe it works. maybe it doesn't. It keeps freezing at this point of its loading when it's getting aggregator information. It just keeps freezing there. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure why. Oh my gosh. Huh. Well, I guess what we can do while we're waiting is I'll put this on the big screen, and you guys can just watch how to use a footprint trap. Also, you can watch my super awesome new intro that I made. Let me flip over here to live scene. There we go. And yeah, let's get this started. Let me pause this and then throw this up, and yeah, we'll let you guys give this an old watcheroo. All right, welcome everybody to Banana Bread Trades. My name is Goose, and today we're gonna have a quick video over how I trade a footprint chart, how I use it, what it is. We're gonna go over it. So, first things first, let's take a look at what is all this? What is this garbage, all these numbers and stuff? So, we'll go ahead and we'll zoom in real quick, and we'll give you a little look at what exactly is going on here, right? So, in this chart, we have our buy volume per tick. We have our sell volume per tick. And then we have this highlighted 0. This is showing that there's no more. These zeros are showing that there's no more buyers or no more sellers at a certain tick or at a certain level. Those are the main things I look at. Also, we have this yellow. This is showing the POC, and at the bottom of the chart we have our volume. Good morning, Mr. Decoy. Delta, I'm here. Right, green delta. I'm trying to get my rhythmic to load, but it won't. Red delta shows that there's a lot of sellers. Yada yada yada. And so, I can't show any charts until rhythmic loads. How do I use this? When do I use it? What's the whole point, right? What is all this garbage for? Hi. Well, honestly, I don't look at a lot of the in between. Yeah, right now my my rhythmic just like absolutely won't load this morning. It just won't. So I'm messing with it, trying to get to load, and while it's loading, I just got the video on in the background so you guys have something to watch. Because I mean, it's been like a legit like 10 minutes of me trying to get it to turn on. Like I pull up my Quant Tower, I get nothing. Like Quant Tower turns on, but like rhythmic like just won't even, like I can't sign into rhythmic at all. So I'm trying to get that fixed. So I'm assuming there's an issue there. I'm not really sure. TBH, NGL, not gonna lie. Like, let's pull up. No, because yeah, I need to open rhythmic first. Yeah, see, it just does the freezy boy. It just does a freezy boy. And I'm not a fan. Oh, good morning, Mr. Viper. Yeah, can you sign into your rhythmic at all, Decoy, if you can? I don't know. I don't know. Successfully updated. Maybe that's my problem, is rhythmic needs to update. What if I skip settings? Oh, good morning, Keith. How are you? We're having a heck of a morning. Everything is going wrong. Just absolutely everything. Nothing is good right now. You know what we'll do? You know what we'll do and what we'll talk about? We can do this. We'll go to the good old reliable trading view and pull up an ES chart. Oh my god, it's in light mode. Oh, my eyes. My eyes. How do I put this in dark mode? Oh my goodness. Background black, please. Oh. Where's just like the dark mode button? Oh, that was painful. There's got to be a dark mode button. I know there's a dark mode button. Decoy, where's the dark mode button? Might need to re-download. I might. Don't I have AMP on this PC? I don't. Not on this one. I need to. That would be smart of me. Dark mode, there it is. Yes. Swag. Okay, now we're back on dark mode. I need to sign into AMP on this PC, but your boy has not done that yet. Probably wouldn't take too long, though. Let me see. Let me see. But overall, let's look at this real quick before I get to yeah, flash drive. I should. I'm afraid of losing the flash drive, honestly. That's my big fear, is like getting a flash drive, losing the flash drive. Oh, let's like not have my face in the middle of the screen. My bad, guys. My bad. We're just all over the place today. It's just been one of those mornings. We can flip over to this screen, actually. There you go. There you go. Okay. So, yeah, it's just been a hell of a morning. But overall, let's look at this. We had a pretty nasty sell-off on the overnight, and I really enjoyed it. We failed to make a new high. So, I'm really thinking that bear market rally is over and we can get... I mean, I'm very short biased right now, right? I am thoroughly short biased. I mean, look at this 15-minute chart. Is that not absolutely a beautiful... Is that not a beautiful rejection right there of the highs? Right? Failure to make a new high, and then just that gradual sell-off curve into a dump. I love that so much. So overall, I'm very, very, very much looking forward to a red day today. I think that's what we're getting. Let me start a poll and have you guys vote on it real quick. Open the Weeb. Start a poll. How will market close today? Red, green. There we go. Poll is up. You guys go ahead and decide what you think is going to happen today. I'm voting myself. I think it's going to be red today. Just with this overnight action, that's very, very attractive to me. Forever range. No, I don't think. I mean, we are still technically bouncing the top of that prior consolidation zone, right? We are actually in a range. But with the way that structure looks, that is just some beautiful, beautiful structure for a nasty, nasty sell-off that I've seen before. We're going to try rhythmic one last time. And if not, I guess I just have to cry for a while. You know? You know how I love to cry. So, yeah, we'll see if this rhythmic thing opens up or not. If I forever broke it. Ugh. I went to the chiropractor the other day. I feel so good. Like, I was pretty effed up, and now I'm not effed up anymore. So that's very nice. Man, I don't want that. Stop. Stop. Don't. What's going on here? No. Leave. Oh my goodness gracious. Whatever. Whatever. We'll get out of there. Let's open up Quan Tower and see if I can just get anything going today. Maybe an early stream, which I apologize for. But how did everyone do yesterday? You guys tell me about your day. You know? Tell me about how you guys did. That's what I want to hear. Oh, the rhythmic moved. Okay, so maybe it loads, maybe it does not. Yeah, 700 705 hole, we could go back up, lose that, and it's back down to the, yeah, that's pretty much what I was looking at, was at, that 700 705, that's where that overnight gap was. We filled that gap, but that's still been like a major support level, right? I know all these levels just off the top of my head. 700 to 705, that's the major zone that we need to support. If we lose that, it's going to turn very bloody, which I expect us to lose that today. And then there's 3645. That was our major pivot that started the bear market rally, right? If we're going to get down there and it's going to get very, very dicey, I will look for that. If we get there, though, however, I do look for that to also break. Right, that's what I would expect, at least. But god dang it, this thing just will not load. No loading today. So let me try connecting to this. Maybe not. Yeah, I remember you sending that to me yesterday, or showing us that yesterday, Mr. Decoy, where you literally longed the absolute bottom of yesterday. That's always a shame. Hey, we got charts. Let's go. Oh, yes. We are live and we are ready for action. Okay. We're back. Yes. Oh, and it's breaking. Oh, we are flushing. That is beautiful. That is delicious. That's yum. That's what I like right there. See, there's this major level right here at 3705-ish. Like this whole little gappy poo right here. If that gappy poo can flush, then it's going to be a very, very, very red day. We do got the weekly POC there at 3690. I really thought we were going to get there yesterday, but we did not. So let's make this big. Yes. So 3690, that's that weekly POC. We got the last week's POC at 3602. 3645 is the top of this big gap that we got right here. I expect this flush to be fast and hard if we break 3690 and get, 3680, I guess, is the zone we really need to break. So that's what I'm really watching. You took your dog's pillow, Mr. Rocky? Savage. We are getting some major dumpage. Here we are at that 3705 level. Interesting to watch here. Let me make sure that... Hold on here. Okay. That. And that. And that. And same thing here, settings. I don't want to show you guys my account number anytime I enter a trade or anything, because that would be inconvenient for me, because I know Rocky is a hacker. And he'll hack my account and steal all $7 to my name. I'm just kidding. Rocky wouldn't do that. He's going to go on a boat on an ocean somewhere. Oh, there we go. So here we are. We're at this level. Are we going to get a bounce? I'm going to assume we probably get some sort of bounceroo. Or maybe we just go ahead and, you know, flush it right off right here, right now. Let's give her the old watch-a-rooney. I would expect some sort of bounce here, though, you know, but maybe not. It's definitely trying. Let's see if it let's see how hard it tries. Like I said, this is a major level right here, right? Major level. If we just go straight ahead and flush it, we do have an unfinished bottom auction at the bottom. There was a little bit of love there, though, as you can see. There was a little bit of love. So let's see if it gives it any sort of pomp whatsoever. Maybe a little bit of a try above and a fail and a doom. Who knows? Let's see. Rocky will take everything. He's a savage. He gives no cares. Oh, yeah. There's our little bit of a bounce that we're getting now. That's what we were waiting on. How excellent. How excellent. I love the volatility, right? I love having volatility at the open here. I should have taken a long at 37.05. That would have been smart, but you know, why be smart when you have swag, right? Why be smart when you have swag? And I have swag, so no need to be smart here. Now, do we finally break this lev? Let's put in a stop loss here. If we, oof, not 50, not 50. Not 5 either. What is going on here? I want 5 points. 20 ticks. I will say one thing I do miss is the auto break even from Tradeovate. The auto break even was such a nice feature. I don't think they have that in Quan Tower, which is a little sad. You know, makes me cry a little bit. Makes me sad on the inside. But, you know, it is what it is. Let's go ahead and close the poll so I can read this. Yeah, Quantar's weakest part is the bracket. Yeah, I think the auto break-even function's only disabled for Top Step users because Top Step doesn't like people, you know, securing profit. You know, how dare someone secure a profit, right? So, yeah, because like if you just have your own account, you can still use the auto break-even function. Yeah, it's just a dumb rule that Top Step came up with. I mean, there were some people spamming the system, right, where they were just clicking. It was like they had the auto break even kick in after like one tick, and they were just clicking it like 1,000 times. Um, but it's like just police those guys. What like the way I would do it is if my trade went like 10, 15 points, my bracket would automatically kick in at 5, so I could at least lock in 5 points of profit if it, came back and slapped me. Ninja Trader is boss. You can add steps like ES and move the stop loss to break even when profit +3. That is pretty nice. Yeah, I would say that is probably the weakest part of the Quan Tower game is their bracket setup's kind of weak. It's just like, hey, buy here, sell here. They do have different placing strategies though, to where like it'll like auto place your entries at said levels, right? Which is cool, but for me, I don't know. I just want to mark it in, and I just want the auto break even function. That's all I want. That's my only request, dear Quan Tower. I know you're not listening to a guy with 3 viewers on his stream, but if you can, if you do, please. Wow, we bounced that level pretty hard. That would be crazy if we went ahead and ripped from here. I don't think we will. We've got an unfinished auction at the low of day here at 37.04. So I'm going to assume we definitely go lower. I'm going to blow my nose really quick. Okay, we're back. We're back. So yeah, 37.05, too strong. Let's see if we can flush it here. It might be a thing where we need to wait for RTH, regular trading hours, market open to flush it. I don't know. That's not a pretty bottom either for anyone wanting to the short side. That's a higher low. It's a nice wick. If I was short right now, I'd be a little nervous, just because of the support that it's getting. Hold on just a second. Just a second. Sorry, we're fixed. We're fixed. My mic was about to fall down. Yeah, this volume gap right here, like you could just see, like there's no interest in any action whatsoever right here, right? No action at all. That's a thick ass ledge, right? As far as like the steepness of it, like there's a clear zone here. I should honestly just mark that out. Why don't I do that? Why don't I stop being how I am and mark out this zone? Like this is it. We'll just do it right here. And then we'll make that a right ray. There. Yeah. Yep, we do have housing here in about 10 minutes. That's what we're waiting on here. Starting to sell a little bit here. Let's see if we can get under that 3,700. If 3,700 breaks, right, I might just blindly short and hold for the rest of the day. I mean, I probably won't, but man, this is just such a hard level, right? We've tested it 3 times now. Every time's been a higher test. So I'm not too incredibly bearish yet, right? This is technically this is a bounce level that we're at right now. So all things aside, really would want to play, if we weren't looking at this structure right here, this upper structure, I would probably be longing this pretty hard. But because of the way this structure is, right, we have this lower high, we have the curl, we have the retest that failed violently. This is all the makings for a really good swing short. So I'm more interested in taking really good short setups than I am longing this right here. Got to drop the kids off at the pool. At the pool? We'll see you, Big Keith. I hope you have a fantastic day of trading. We'll catch you tomorrow. I'm assuming pool means something else other than like a swimming pool. Maybe. Maybe. I don't know. Unless Keith's on a different side of the world and it's warm. Because it's 25 degrees here right now. Yeah, so we're still getting this little bit of a pump. I'm just gonna be patient and watch right here. Like I said, this is a very important candle that's about to post. Unfinished auction at the bottom. I mean, there's pretty good green delta all the way down there until that very last bit too. Maybe we do get a bounce and we get up to VWAP. VWAP is also at yesterday's opening range low. Good morning, Mr. Cass. How are you? It's been a while. I hope you're doing great. Yesterday's Globex range is basically the same as today, off by 2 points each way. Yeah, you are not wrong. We are about the same as we were yesterday on Globex as well. Just kind of range in that zone where, but like I said, I'm very, very, very interested in the downside right now. I think that's what we get. I've just seen this exact situation so many times. Every time I see this, I think of Faceless, right? Anytime we've seen Faceless with one of those like god tier shorts, after watching him, he trades this exact setup so often. Now, this is already 70 points from where he would have went short, so this may be the end of the move, but I've just seen it so many times and he's so good at nailing those. This structure here is, I learned that from Faceless, was these types of short setups for swing shorts that he does with several minis. I think he shorts with like 10 minis now. He does really well. I'm a big fan. That dude's legit. He's smarter than I can ever aspire to be. Delta, however, right now, Delta's really small, actually. We're not getting any volume. We had this big volume. We're getting low volume, really low Delta. It's not really big red or green. So they're definitely making some decision right now, fighting each other. I'm not, like I said, I'm definitely sitting flat right now. I don't have a huge bias. I feel that, Mr. Cass. At least you ended up green though, some days we have days we're not proud of. I've had plenty of those where I've taken some longs or shorts that are suspect, to say the most. But at the end of the day, as long as we're making progress towards our long-term goal, that's kind of the goal. Yesterday was good for me. I nailed some right off the bat, and then just kind of shut her down for the day. I didn't trade a whole lot. I have like a big Excel sheet spread out with what I need to make in each account each day to reach my total profit goal by next year. And so it's like if I get above that on all the accounts, it's like I kind of just vibe if I don't see anything super delicious. And that's kind of what happened yesterday. I saw a couple trades, got in some small delicious trades, and then after that I was just like, all right, we're chilling now. No need to get super eager. Yeah, just bulls being bulls. So yesterday, let's take a look at it. Yesterday, that that end of day rally really did catch me off guard. I was watching it and it's just like for one, I thought VWAP was going to be as high as it went. I did not think they were going to break above this high when we got that news or whatever here. I can't remember what the news was. Oh, it was Apple. Apple tanked us, but then I guess Netflix came out with good news, and that probably aspired that. Uh, Netflix came out with their earnings. That's probably what aspired that late day run, but it definitely caught me off guard because after we rejected opening range low so hard, I was like, all right, there's no way we don't make a new low. We don't break 37.05. We supported 37.05, and then yeah, she just took off. It caught me by surprise. But then once we got back into opening range, or this initial balance, we stayed in it, right? Until Globex, we finally fell through. So yeah, should be probably another exciting day. I'm expecting some big volatility, especially if we're opening with a big gap down like this, right? So yesterday's close was at 37.58. Now we're opening with a massive gap down. Unless, we rally towards open, which could definitely happen. But I'm gonna look for a volatile day here. Gonna be patient and try not to F myself. Maybe we'll make that a yearly goal by the end of today. Who knows? Who knows? Probably not, because I won't degen that hard. Hell yeah, Mr. Decoy. Like I said, you have the right idea. Subconscious decoy is right almost every time, How often is subconscious decoy wrong? You just gotta trust your instincts, Trust your instincts, get that bread. We love that bread. Sorry, I'll turn the music back on. So we're definitely stalling out here, consolidating. Delta is at absolute minimum. We have 3.5 minutes till news, so I'm gonna be patient and wait and see what that says. This news is gonna be the big boy decider. I'm hoping we can get under 37. Like I said, get under 3,700, then I think shorts. It's definitely bear market back in session down to 36.45 at least. We're gonna get some volatility at 36.45. Let's make this chart big. 36.45 was our previous pivot level, right? That was the breakout spot that we were talking about. We broke above 36.45. It's last week's top of volume, right? Top of that volume area. So I would definitely expect some volatility once we get, it's going to drop. Once we break under this zone, I expect a pretty quick drop to 36.45, then maybe start doing that consolidation thing, because that's also back into that disgusting range that we were last week. But this area here, I expect that to be violent and fast. And I could be wrong. It might not be violent and fast. That's what I will be looking for. And then if we can get below last week's range, then bear season's really on. But we'll just have to be patient and see. Let's go to a longer time frame chart here, like the daily. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, that daily's beautiful. That is a beautiful red candle. Makes me happy to see. Yeah, I almost switched to whatever day we were in that really disgusting range. I almost switched to NQ just because we were so tight. It was almost too hard to scalp, you know, like there wasn't really enough movement to even scalp ES. It was pretty tight. Here we're getting some selling. This is the moment of truth. News comes out in 58 seconds. I'm getting excited. I hope you're getting excited too. This news might also be nothing. It's just housing. So, it doesn't have like it's not like big news, right? So I'm not expecting like a super wicked move from it. But maybe we get a little bit. It'll show signs of inflation and whatnot. I'm not a real estate agent, so I'm not really too concerned about housing. I got my house now. 25 seconds. I'm just hoping the news is just enough to break us below the level, or maybe we rip. I'm not. What happened to my... Oh, interesting. Oh. There we go. There we go. There we go. We're back. Fixed it. I don't know if I was ever gone off screen, but I was gone here. Hey. Hey, we're bouncing. So that's how it's gonna be, huh? You know, my rhythmic never turned on, but my quad tower did. You know, I never could get into rhythmic. But quad tower loaded right up. Hey, Mr. Rocky. Yeah! Is it time? Is it finally going to dump for us? Are we gonna break this level? Do it. Oh, see, I don't have any delta charts to load, so we're chilling. Do it. Break it. Break it. Come on. Do it. You can do it. You can do it. We believe in you. Go. Go. Be strong. Fight the bulls. Oh, she's stalling out. She's trying, but she's stalling. This is such a hard level, right? I love watching major levels like this support or break. Like this is, you know how like some people root for sports teams? Like this is me, like when it comes to levels. It's like, oh my gosh, this, like I've either been rooting for this level or I want this level to fail. I want this level to break and go back down, because then that completes my saga as far as the plan I had drawn. Come on, baby. Come on. Be strong. Be strong, Bears. You got this. Unfinished auction at the bottom. You're almost there. You're almost there. You can do it. You can do it. Give us 36.90. Give it to us. Oh, is it gonna do it? This is so nerve-wracking. Will it do it? Here it is. Come on. You're so close. You're so close. The delta is pretty heavy negative too. We're at minus 12k delta, almost minus 13k delta. Oh, it's stalling. It's stalling. It's trying. But is it trying hard enough? Now let's get that off the screen. Come on. Oh, she is not wanting to break. Delta's still strong. Oh, Delta's starting to fail. Delta is starting to fail. I don't know if it's gonna do it. I don't know if it's gonna do it. Oh, buyers came in. Buyers came in and pumped it. Sad. I was really hoping they were going to get it done there, but alas, they could not. Maybe they come back down, maybe they don't. Either way, I cry. I cry tears. That was just disappointing. Really thought they had it. Maybe they do it now on this candle. I'm not so sure though. Looks like Delta took a pretty nasty hit as far as it's starting to flip green. We were at negative 13K, now we're at negative 550. Yeah. Buyers are showing up. Either that or this seller's taking profit. One of the two. There she goes. There she goes. How disappointing. Maybe she comes back. Maybe she doesn't. Heartbroken, to say the least. You're just here so you don't get fined. We were hoping for a break, Mr. Rocky. We were rooting for a break of 3,700. Kind of looks like the bulls are stepping in. Delta's starting to flip back towards the green side there. It's starting to take off. Gotta wake her up. You were out for revenge on your dog today. How dare she wake you up? She's adorable though. I love her. We all love her. Rocky's dog can be the mascot of our stream. She's adorable. So right now, Bull's kind of supporting. Delta's about to... This 5-minute candle that was absolutely mad red flipped almost green. We're on a new candle now, and it's not showing much red either. Headed to work. Tired? Have a good day. I love you. Yeah, it is 7:36 already. I'm probably going to go ahead and call the stream, go get my morning coffee, and get on with my day. 3,700 will be the level that I will be watching. If we bounce here and go back to the highs, then, you know, I'll have to completely remake my plan. But my plan for right now is 3,700 breaking and us going and testing 3,645. That's what I will be watching at 3,645. Then we fall back into that super gross range. But yeah, that's my plan. That's what I'm gonna be watching for today. I'm gonna be careful around this level. Kind of wait for open to decide what it wants to do here, and then get after it. So I hope you all have a fantastic day, and yeah, be patient, be safe, make that bag, and we will see you tomorrow.